Nonstick frying pan. The Sensar-T Nonstick frying pan skillet offers a remarkable combination of functionality and ease of use. Crafted from durable stainless steel with Bakelite accents, this pan ensures efficient heat distribution while maintaining its stylish gray appearance. With a generous 9.5-inch size, it is ideal for a variety of cooking tasks, including sautéing, frying, and stir-frying. One of the standout features of this skillet is its non-stick coating, which significantly enhances cooking and cleanup experiences. Users can prepare dishes like pancakes, omelets, and seared meats without the worry of sticking, allowing for perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. The pan is compatible with all stovetop types, including gas, electric coil, and induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. The Sensar frying pan is built with user convenience in mind. Its aluminum handle, designed to stay cool during cooking, provides a comfortable grip and contributes to the overall lightweight feel of the skillet at just 1.45 pounds. This makes it particularly easy to maneuver, whether flipping an omelet or transferring a dish to the oven, where it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.